Hey everyone, it's Marcello here from the Toyota World YouTube channel, and behind me here I have the absolute most economical, fuel efficient Toyota RAV4. This is the LE all-wheel drive 2023 RAV4 hybrid, and we're going to review it just ahead. That's right, so feast your eyes on this magnetic gray metallic 2023 LE all-wheel drive RAV4 hybrid. Got some changes going on for 2023. You've got an all-new multimedia system with a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which I will show you in a second what that looks like. It's an 8-inch touchscreen. You've got an upgraded, in terms of size, multi-information display system. I'll show you that as well. Updated Toyota Safety Sense. So for 2022, it was a 2.0 Toyota Safety Sense. We've now upgraded to a TSS 2.5. Let's review this beauty. Now, before we review it, I just want to touch on the pricing for a second. For $34,850 MSRP price tag Canadian, plus your freight, PDI, and taxes, that's just slightly more than the non-hybrid equivalent. And I got to tell you, for that pricing, it's a fantastic bang for your buck. Why? Well, because you have hybrid, whereas the non-hybrid equivalent is, of course, just a standard 4-cylinder engine. And you've got 17-inch alloy wheels. So these are the alloy wheels that come standard when you're going with something like the XLE grade 2023 non-hybrid or even hybrid RAV4. That's right. So going with the LE grade non-hybrid RAV4, you actually have a steel wheel with a wheel cover. So this is fantastic value. You're upgraded to alloy wheels and you're upgraded to the hybrid powertrain system. Now, when it boils down to the popularity and the overall demand, right now we are telling our customers that the RAV4 Hybrid LE, and most RAV4 hybrids for that matter, are about a 12-month wait. But rest assured, it is definitely worth the wait. But if you're going to be making a purchase now or sometime soon, you will most likely be getting the 2024 model, not the 2023. But from what we know, there are no changes coming to us for 2024. We hope to have some changes and a possible redesign for 2025. Okay, so taking a look on the interior, like I mentioned, this was a 4-inch wide multi-information display system, and it went up to a 7.2-inch now for 2023. This is basically a digital speedometer. It also houses a lot of your customizations for the vehicle. You can toggle through a lot of, multimedia settings and safety settings, trip timers, and so on. And then moving over to the right, you've got a lovely standard 8-inch touchscreen with the latest multimedia tech featuring your wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and cloud-based navigation. The LE grade also features front heated seats and a dual zone AC system. And yes, for 2023, this vehicle does have the blind spot monitoring system with the rear cross traffic alert. So the way that works is as soon as you throw the vehicle into reverse, the vehicle will automatically detect and sense any bicycles or pedestrians or anything coming across the vehicle, and it will notify you with a beep. And underneath the hood, you've got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine putting out 219 horsepower and 221 pound-foot of torque. As for fuel consumption, you're getting about 6 liters per 100 kilometers combined city and highway. Translates to about 47 miles per gallon. Now, I think that the RAV4 Hybrid LE is fantastic value. And if I was in the market for an LE RAV4, I probably wouldn't even consider the non-hybrid myself. I find fantastic value in better fuel economy, more enjoyable driving experience, and also alloy wheels in the hybrid equivalent. Now, if you want features like a power rear tailgate, push button start with a smart key system, or let's say a power moonroof, then you'll have to go with the XLE grade. And the XLE grade does have a little bit over a $3,000 price gap when comparing to the LE grade. That's right, the XLE has an MSRP Canadian of $37,990 plus your freight PDI. The XLE grade does have an MSRP of $37,990 Canadian plus your freight PDI and taxes. Now, the RAV4 Hybrid LE does feature a couple different driving modes. You've got the normal mode here, the Eco when you really want to get into fuel savings, there's Sport mode if you want a little bit more peppiness on the acceleration and gas pedal. You've got the Trail mode for a little bit of more stability when off-roading or going on a gravel road. You've got your EV mode, and it does also feature an electronic parking brake. Now, I did mention going to the XLE grade if you want to have the smart key system. That's right. Although this is a hybrid model, it is not a push button start smart key system. This is actually what the key fob looks like for the LE grade 23 RAV4 hybrid. It actually has an expandable key shank there with the lock, panic, and unlock feature. So having an LE grade 23 RAV4, there are a couple of ways to distinguish that it's a hybrid LE. One, like I already mentioned, it'll have 17-inch alloy wheels. You'll have the glowing blue Toyota hybrid emblem, and then of course, right at the back here, you will have the Toyota hybrid badge. I'm 6'2", and inside of this RAV4 Hybrid LE, I've got plenty of space, plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom here. I've got plenty of shoulder room. It's a very comfortable SUV. Now, really quickly, if you don't already know how these hybrid systems work for Toyota, they're fantastic. They're very self-carrying, and what I mean by that is there's nothing that you have to do other than start the vehicle and drive. Every time you decelerate or you brake, it's called regenerative braking. You're actually sending power back to the battery and charging the battery. So you never have to charge anything. You never really have to know how much range you have. Even with our RAV4 Primes, you still have the alternative combustion engine working together. But even more so here with this RAV4 Hybrid LE, there's nothing to charge. You've got the regenerative braking, and basically everything takes care of itself, and you save fuel, and you have fantastic acceleration. What more would you want? Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care. And when it comes down to pricing, you can really spoil yourself here on these RAV4 hybrids, going all the way up to the limited at north of $48,000 MSRP Canadian, plus your freight, PDI, and taxes. But if the essentials is all you're after, plus a little bit of convenience and safety, then the LE grade RAV4 hybrid might just be the perfect fit for you, like it is for many. I hope you enjoyed this video and this review. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.